Good morning friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in selection MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management, and we are covering most probable questions for per chapter. Today is chapter number 10th, so up till now we have covered 9 chapters. Follow all the series. Remember, probable questions, many of them you will see them in the exam as one-liners, and you know the importance of 1 mark. Okay, so that's why follow the series till the end. Let's start without wasting the time. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Means do yourself the hardest possible work. If you can study for, let's say, 1 hour per day, if your capacity is, try to study for 1.5 hour, extra 1.5 hour. If your capacity is for 2 hours, try for 2.5 hours. Try that extra half hour. That is called as pushing yourself, checking your limits, crossing your limits, okay, or thinking out of the box, going out of the box. That is called as pushing yourself. So do it, everyone, because only how many 10-15 days are remaining for your exam. Okay, let's start. Okay, so follow this series completely. In fact, I would suggest join this video courses. I'll tell you at the end. Okay, not to worry. So types of credit cards issued by the banks in general are. So which type of credit cards are issued by the bank? Who can tell me? Silver card, gold card, platinum and titanium. So it depends on bank to bank. Many of the banks have silver card. Silver card we have generally with all the banks. Gold card also. Platinum, and last one is titanium. So see here, it's not that you have to remember the names. The point is what type of cards are issued by the banks. Bank can issue any type of card. I can call it silver, gold. This is a general trend which is going on. Silver card, gold card, platinum card, titanium card. I can give it diamond card also. Okay, I can give any name. But the point is, how is the difference made? The difference is made over here from the facilities available. For example, if silver card is having, for example, a simple limit of, let's say, 50,000, gold card will have 1 lakh, platinum will have roughly 3 lakhs, titanium will have around 5 to 6 lakhs. Similarly, loans will be available. Loans available are depending on the type of the card. Loans means which loan? Personal loans. Now remember, don't think that the credit card loans are of very high amount, very high rate of interest. Nowadays they have come up with the banking sector, okay, and zero documentation. That's the important part. So what are the types of cards available? Answer will be 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, and last one D. So obviously the answer will be D, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Important is you must know the classification, on what basis is it done. The features available generally in all types of cards are, so all types. Now I am talking of what? Debit and credit. So facility for payment of purchases, facility to withdraw cash from ATMs up to a fixed limit, reward points for usage of cards, cashback offers up to certain limit for purchases made. So cashback offers here, if you see the debit card as well as credit card, you will see those getting SMSs, cashback on this and this, reward points for usage of this up to this card. Facility to withdraw cash, here withdraw cash is available on every card. Even on credit card, withdrawing cash is allowed, but I would always suggest not to withdraw cash from credit cards. Why? Because the day you withdraw the cash, from the same day the interest starts for withdrawing the cash. That's why we should not withdraw cash from credit cards. Okay, so what are the facilities available? Facility for payment of purchase. Obviously that is the basic. I should be able to use this card in any mall, any shopping mall, any petrol pump, anywhere, isn't it? So that is the basic. Withdrawal of cash, yes. Reward points, now that is the added advantage. Without this here, now these have become the core products, right? Remember those products, core product, then augmented, then potential product, all these, isn't it? So these reward points and cashbacks have become the general thing now. So they have become under this core products now, right? So these all facilities are required to be given today. Because if I don't give cashback offers and reward points, nobody will come to me. if I only give you these two facilities? Because now today's world is of the competition. So the answer is what? What can be the answer? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? The cardholder is given about dash days time to credit his account in case there are insufficient funds in the account at the time of debit. Now this is, we are talking of credit card only. We are not talking of debit card over here. Only credit card. Why? Because debit card you can't withdraw if you don't have funds. Okay. So in credit card, if I use some credit card and this is my due date, XYZ is my due date. So how many days do I get more? So I get 20 to 50 days more. Okay. Means what? Suppose if 5th of May, 5th of April is my billing cycle. 5th April to 5th May. Okay. 5th May. So I'll get 20 days more. So on 25th of May, I'll have to deposit this, whatever purchases I've made, I'll have to deposit it. This is 20 days. Then you'll say, if this is 20, then how come 50? 50 is from this date. Suppose if I make any purchase on 6th April, let's say I make a purchase on 6th April. So on 6th April, if I purchase, so I'll get how many days? 6 to 5th, 30 plus 20, 50, right? So I'll be getting 50 days in that case. Okay. Dash is a person who has accepted payment through the credit card of services rendered to for goods and services, right? So who has accepted the payment? Yeah. Means what? This logic means, suppose if I go in a mall, shopping mall, okay, I make the purchase or I make it online also. So this is me who is giving the payment, me, okay. This is me who is giving the payment, okay. And this person is accepting. So this person is called as what? Merchant bank, merchant, card holder or card issuing bank. So who is this person? Mall. This mall is called as what? This is called as merchant, correct? This is the merchant because this merchant is accepting the payments here. This the overall cycle is like this. I will be having the card issuing bank and this person will be having the machine issuing banks here, isn't it? This person will be having the machine, right, for this card. So POS machine we call it. This POS machine will be of different company. This card, I'll be having this card issuing bank. So there are 4 entities involved, right? Me, card issuing bank, machine POS bank and mall, right? In fact, there is the 5th entity, that is of the card actually. If RuPay is involved in this, so RuPay will be the 5th entity, okay? What type of fee is collected by the banks for credit cards? Annual fee, annual interest fee, processing fee for EMI conversions, all of them. So annual fee is collected by credit cards. Definitely you know, everyone knows this is annual fee, okay. Annual interest fee. When does this interest come in picture? If you don't repay on time. If you don't repay on time, okay. If you don't repay, only then you will be paying the interest. If you repay on time, then nobody will be charging you any interest, okay. So this comes in picture if you don't pay. Processing fees for EMI conversions means, again it's a similar logic. Don't repay on time means what? Suppose if I've made a purchase for 50,000, okay, but at the time of payment I don't have this 50,000. So what do? I convert this into EMIs for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, whatever that period is given to me. So on this EMIs, the company will be charging processing fees plus interest, both the things. Here interest is not mentioned over here. In fact, the interest is covered over here, AIR, annual interest rate, okay. So this company will be charging me processing fees, number 1, and interest also. So that's why all of them is the answer. What type of fees are collected by the banks for credit cards? Annual fees, annual interest and processing fees, okay. Many a times this annual fee is waived off. When will the company waive off? It will waive off if I make some necessary purchases. If I make a purchase of 1 lakh per month, company won't need this annual fee then, isn't it? In that case it will waive off. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. You name it, you have it, okay. So download it fast because it's exam time now. Not even 15 days are remaining now, isn't it? The characteristics of debit cards are: payment for purchase are directly debited from the account, cash withdrawals through ATMs are debited through the account immediately. Payments made for purchases usage will be debited subsequently after a certain period. Now, many of you will feel, okay, first two answers were all of the above, so now this will also be all of the above. But no. Now give me the answer. Let me see. Payment for purchases is directly debited into the account. That is correct, right? Your savings account is debited, right? Nowadays debit card is of less use now. We are all using UPI. You can apply the same logic to UPI also. Cash withdrawals through ATMs are debited through account, right? So that is available. So this is also done. What about this? Payment made for purchases usage will be debited subsequently. Subsequently means later. The meaning of subsequently is later. Is it so? No. Debit card means what? Immediate debit. So 1 and 1, 2 and 3 is out. Wherever the 3 answer is there, that is out. So B is out, D is out. Only 1 and 1 and 2. So answer is C, 1 and 2. Okay. Payment default risk. Chances of failure of cards is embedded in which type of card? So where can the payment default be there? Debit card, credit card, both A and B, either A or B. So will the payment default be there in debit card? What does debit card do? Okay, if I don't have balance in my savings account, will debit card allow me withdrawal from the ATM? Just type yes or no. If I don't have balance in my account, will debit card allow me withdrawal from that ATM? Yes or no? No, correct? So that's why debit card there is no payment default risk. If you don't have balance, debit card won't give you anything, but in credit card, yes. If I purchase something on credit card and I don't pay back, then what? Then the company faces the risk of default, right? So that's why its answer is B. Okay. Importantly, what did I say? Company faces. I didn't say bank face. Why? Because credit cards can be issued by private companies also. Remember this. It's not the prerogative of any bank or some ownership of any bank to issue the credit card. It can be issued by any private company also. Okay. What is the RuPay debit card? Domestic debit card introduced by NPCI, accepted at all ATMs and POS machine. So all of the above. So now this is a simpler answer. So domestic debit card, correct, domestic, because we can use it in India. Now we are going international. RuPay has gone international in some countries now. Okay, but then also from your exam point of view, domestic debit card. Introduced by NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. This company is the leading company in the world now for payment systems. Accepted at all ATMs and POS machines, obviously. So the answer is what? All of the above, isn't it? All the answers are correct over here in RuPay. Who is the largest issuer of debit cards in the world now? In the world, largest issuer of debit card, that is RuPay. RuPay is more than all these what? Visa and Master now. Okay, only in debit. I am not talking of credit. Okay. Okay. So now subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel right now, what are you watching? This presently. You're watching this free YouTube series. I am giving all that gyan to you on this free YouTube series. So this free YouTube series is available where? Check the channel. Just check on your YouTube right now. Whatever you're watching, check out which is the channel. This is the channel, Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. So when you're getting everything free over here, not only me, many teachers are there who will give you the free knowledge over here. So why do you want to go for anywhere else? In fact, subscribe to it. Click on the this bell icon, isn't it? Do it fast. Okay. Bharat QR was developed by NPCI in collaboration with here. Bharat QR was developed. It's a payment system. Huh? Very good payment system. It is mainly for that bill payments. So Bharat QR was developed by NPCI in collaboration with Master, Visa, Amex, both Master and Visa. Who can give me the answer? Master, Visa, Amex. Okay, I'll give you the hint. Amex is out. Okay. So now among these three. So if these three are there, it means the answer will be both of them, Master and Visa. See this, Bharat QR was developed by NPCI in collaboration with both Master and Visa. Okay, so it's a collaboration between NPCI and both of them. What is a credit card? A plastic card which contains identification information, authorizes named person to charge purchases or services, charges for which person will be billed periodically, and all of the above. So here, identification information, okay. Authorizes a named person means this person is known as a bank or card issuing company. Bank or card issuing company, anyone, okay. So authorizes bank to charge the purchases or services. So it allows the bank to charge for those services. Charges for which person will be billed periodically. Periodically means after 1 month, 15 days, whatever. Billing cycle. Okay. So answer is all of the above, isn't it? In which card transactions, in which by the card holder accumulated over a period of time, generally a month, and the total amount is charged debited to the account at the end of the month. So debit, credit, smart, member. What I say is the answer. It is accumulated. I gave you some billing cycle concept just now. Okay, 5th April to 5th May. What is that? Accumulated. From here, whatever I purchase, I'll be billed on 5th of May. Okay, then I'll be paying after 20 days, 25th of May. Alright. So this is known as accumulation. So in which type of card is this? Debit, credit? Smart is out, member is out. Member is a personal card. We don't pay attention to this actually. Okay, member card can be issued by anyone. You also can issue a member card tomorrow. Okay, so that's not a purview of studies for JAIIB. Okay, so answer is either debit, credit. Debit is not possible because here if you don't have money, you can't purchase. That's simple. So the answer is definitely credit, isn't it? So it's accumulated over here, and then on the last day of this whatever that billing date is, you'll have to pay, isn't it? So now, as I told you, exams are nearing. You don't have time for these batches and everything. So that's why we have devised a video course. Video course means all the batches will come to you in form of videos, recorded videos. You don't have to attend it on time. That 7 PM, 6 PM, 8 PM, nothing. You can watch it at your own ease. Even you'll be getting in these video courses, you'll be getting ebooks also, tests also. There's a prime pack of tests, so you can check your knowledge. Hardly 10-12 days remaining now, right? So check your knowledge immediately over here. Use the code Y432. Huge discounts. Okay, either it's 80%. I don't think so. 80% is available. Even Mahapack means what? It will give you all the details. 15 plus batches per subject. I would now suggest you to go for this video courses. I'll show you how to buy this. Okay, so let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay, let me go to Adda 24/7 first. If you're having the app, I would suggest download the app first. What did I tell you in the first only? Download the app first, because that app will give you a 1% extra. Okay, so go to JAIIB and CIB. Click on JAIIB 23. Look at this, JAIIB 23. Okay, click. Now you'll see the batches. If you want, you can join the selection revision batch also. Okay, but I would suggest see this video courses. You can watch it at your ease now. Look at this video courses. Click on this. Okay, you'll see the details of the batches of the videos. Actually, all the 4 subjects are covered, all the 4 topics. Then you have a plan over here. What all topics are covered. You can go through this. More offers. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Okay, click on apply. Okay, now look at this, 77% off. 18,999 reduces to 4,369. Such a huge discount. Go for it, because how many days are remaining? Tell me. Simple. When is your exam? Next first week of May, right? Sunday. So how many days? Not even, I think so, 15 days now, isn't it? Not even 15 days. So join it ASAP. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. Keep studying and do join the batches. Bye.